Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable and how to use Apple Intelligence features on your MacBook Neo. To enable Apple Intelligence, make sure that your device is connected to the internet, and after that, enter System Settings on your MacBook. In System Settings, we're gonna have to know whether the device is updated to the latest software version. So go to the Software Update menu in General section, and after that, select Apple Intelligence and Siri on the sidebar, and enable Apple Intelligence by switching this toggle to the right. To enable Apple Intelligence, your Siri language has to be the same as your system language, and you can quickly change this Siri language in the same menu by selecting the appropriate language from this list. After you enable the Apple Intelligence for the first time, it will start downloading and installing the package. After the installation, your laptop will restart and you'll be ready to start using your Apple Intelligence features. Now, one of the most noticeable features are writing tools, which are available basically in any program where you have to write something. So, for example, in the Notes application, we have a dedicated icon for the writing tools. So when you select any text in here and click right here, you'll open the writing tools where you'll be able to either describe your change to the chat, or you can also proofread, rewrite your text, change the style of it, change the format, or the composition of the text. And for the rest of the programs, you can access the same menu by going to Edit and scrolling down to Writing Tools, where you'll be able to either quickly select one of the writing tools or show them all by tapping right here. So this way you can organize your emails, you can rewrite your emails, summarize them, and generally make your typing much better and easier to read. The next thing is the photo editing tool. So if we open any photo in the Photos application, first of all, we can quickly improve the photo, and it actually does an improvement just by tapping on this magic tool, and it will take some time to process, but at the end the photo will become much better. So here is the change if you want to take a better look. So it makes the photo more vivid, the colors more visible, and it also lightens up the dark spots of the photo without losing any details, which is really cool. And you can also remove the elements from the photos by clicking Edit near the top right corner, then select the Cleanup tab at the top of the application, and then select what you want to erase from the photo. So for example, let's erase this crane. The Apple Intelligence tool will automatically detect what we want to erase and will remove it from the photo completely. As you can see, we got some minor change in here, but right now, as you can see, the change is absolutely seamless and we cannot see any trace of the object that used to be here. And the next tool that is kind of similar to the editing one is the Image Playground. So that's the program that is also available on iPhones, and it is the program where you can generate your own images based on your ideas, or you can also just randomly create a new image by dragging a bunch of random suggested emojis and appearances. Then we can, for example, describe an image or just wait for the random image to be generated. And then we can select which one we want to save. And there is plenty more to explore, like notifications importance, like email management, and so on and so on. And you can discover it all by yourself, but I really hope that we encouraged you to do so with this video, and I hope that you liked it. And if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.